If your peperomia's beautiful green leaves are turning yellow, don't ignore it. Your plant is asking for help. And the scary part is, if you don't fix the cause quickly, the plant can lose all its leaves and slowly die. But once you understand the causes of yellowing, you can stop it and make your peperomia healthy again. Let's start with the most hidden cause: low light plus overwatering combination. This is a hidden cause most people don't realize. In low light, plants use water very slowly. If you water normally but the plant sits in low light, the soil stays wet longer. This leads to root rot and yellow leaves. Place your peperomia in bright indirect light. Near an east or north facing window is perfect. Avoid very dark corners. More light helps the plant use water efficiently. And the next cause is the most common cause for yellowing: overwatering. The most common reason peperomia leaves turn yellow is overwatering. Peperomia is a semi-succulent plant. Its thick leaves store water. This means it doesn't need frequent watering. When you water too often, the soil stays wet for too long. The roots don't get oxygen and they start to rot. Once roots are damaged, the plant cannot absorb nutrients and leaves turn yellow. Signs of overwatering: yellow leaves that feel soft and weak. Leaves dropping easily. Soil stays wet for many days. Only water when the top 50 to 70% soil is dry. Always use well-draining soil. Always make sure your pot has drainage holes. Peperomia prefers slightly dry soil, not constantly wet soil. Poor draining soil. Even if you water correctly, heavy soil can still cause yellow leaves. If your potting soil holds too much water, it suffocates the roots. Peperomia needs airy, fast-draining soil so roots can breathe. Use a soil mix like garden soil or regular potting soil and coco peat and perlite. This prevents waterlogging and keeps roots healthy. Healthy roots mean healthy green leaves. Natural aging. Sometimes yellow leaves are completely normal. Older bottom leaves naturally turn yellow and fall off as the plant grows new leaves. If one or two bottom leaves turn yellow occasionally, don't worry. This is part of the plant's normal life cycle. Just remove the yellow leaf. Sudden environmental stress. Peperomia doesn't like sudden changes. Yellow leaves can appear due to sudden temperature change, cold drafts, moving plant to a new location. Give the plant time to adjust. Keep it in a stable environment. And here are some very important prevention tips. Always check soil before watering. Insert your finger into the soil. If it feels dry deep down, water. If it feels moist, wait. This simple habit prevents most yellow leaf problems. Remember, yellow leaves are warning sign. Fix watering, improve soil, and provide good light. And your peperomia will reward you with healthy, beautiful leaves. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.